Internet, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com. Today we're here at the DJI event as they're showing off the Ultimate, the Mavic Air. Mavic Air is pretty much the culmination of all their innovations and technology into one small pocketable drone. It's a tad bit bigger than Spark, but half the size of the Mavic. You've got 4K abilities, you can fold the arms, and like I said, it can fit in your pocket. As far as the camera, you got a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 32 megapixel camera capable of panorama mode. It even shoots 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p slow motion at 120 frames per second. So you kind of have almost all the different video and photo capabilities that you would want in a drone. They beefed up the storage. Now you have 8 gigs of internal storage, and you can offset it via USB-C port. And they also made sure to carry over the gesture control from the Spark. So it's a bit more improved. Peace sign, use it to take a photo, wave your hands to move it further, put it back, and different things. So I tried it. It's definitely a lot better than like Spark. 21-minute flight time, and in sport mode can go as fast as 42.5 miles per hour. So you can really haul ass with this thing. And it also has support for their DJI goggles, first-person view goggles. Looks cool. If you've held out this long, this is definitely the drone to get. Pre-orders kick off today. Pricing starts at $799, which might sound a bit pricey, but it comes with everything. So there's a Fly More package, but you can kind of get away with everything with this $800 package. It comes in 3 colors and ships on January 28th. So there you have it. Mavic Air, DJI starting the year off right, cornering the market of the drone territories, staking a claim, making sure nobody else gets up here on this mountain. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care, and see you next time.